Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to take a look at a new Linux distribution called Modicia Linux. It is from Italy and it is there available since 1998. It was first launched in 1998 and since then it is got a regular launch and it is serving the users. So it is meant for office users, graphic designers, musicians, video editors, the first Linux OS for multimedia users since 1998. So what are the special features of Modicia Linux? It is turbo boost processors are enabled by default. Swappiness is set to 10%, which can improve application performance by up to 25% and extending SSD lifespan. RAM compression improves read and write speeds by over 20%. Jack audio connection kit and the rsync are pre-configured and active. The real-time kernel is already installed by default. Access all essential programs from the App Store in deb and app image formats. Need to run Windows applications, then it can be installed by a single click using the WineHQ. Includes unlimited cloud storage with no bandwidth limits. Full bug-for-bug binary compatibility with Debian stable binary. So this Linux distribution is based on Debian. It has got all the real-time configuration already done by default to the system. So it is ready to use system for musicians, video and audio professional creators, and of course general users and office users can also use this. Graphic designers will also find this useful, and it is all done, everything is packed into one system which everybody can use. These are some screenshots of this Linux distributions. Of course we are going to do the detailed review. We will also check out the install experience of Modicia Linux. This is the web page of Modicia Linux, www.modiciaos.cloud. And the special feature of this Linux distribution is it has got unlimited cloud storage. So all your data you can keep in the free cloud storage that comes along with the Modicia OS installation. And you can watch a video which will introduce you to the Modicia Linux. Of course we will also have our video, but you can watch this official video. Modicia OS has officially registered and developed as a professional Linux distribution at the Chamber of Commerce of Monza and Brianza since 2018. Thanks to the volunteer-driven community, it has been freely available under the CC by GPL license. Built entirely on the Debian stable branch, it merges robustness with simplicity, delivering a refined desktop environment designed for multimedia creation, design and demanding professional workflows. In schools, studios, enterprises, Modicia OS offers a secure and intuitive platform that empowers students, educators, creative professionals to focus on what truly matters, that is, turning their ideas into reality. Modicia OS prioritizes privacy and productivity. No tracking, no ads, no hidden data collection. Bootable in live mode directly from USB. It guarantees stability and security through the full Debian compatibility and rigorously tested updates. Its sleek Mac OS inspired interface comes preloaded with multimedia suites, integrated plugins, professional grade software ready to use without subscriptions or barriers. With Copilot AI built in, native online translation and optimized browsers, Modicia OS becomes a natural ecosystem for designers, musicians, educators, and filmmakers. So all kinds of professionals will find this operating system to be useful, and from the day one they can expect productivity out of this system. It contains all the integrated plugins suites with multimedia applications, professional grade software all ready for use without subscription or barriers. And the Debian base ensures compatibility and very stable updates and system stability. MODICIA OS is trusted in studios and educational institutes, blending passion, quality, and strength of open source into a platform accessible to everyone. Full bug-for-bug compatibility with Debian ensures reliable libraries and official packages, avoiding instability from the private repositories or unverified software. Thanks to this solid foundation, even if development were ever discontinued, your system will remain secure, stable, and continuously updated. So since this operating system is bug for bug compatible with Debian, it ensures reliable libraries and official packages and avoids any instability from private repositories or unverified software. So if suppose Modicia team gets disbanded, it stops functioning, still you will get support from Debian, and your operating system that is installed on your system, it will continue to work until the Debian continues the support. Once the Debian stops the support, then you will have to look somewhere else. Till Debian is there, the support will be there, because Modicia OS is based on 100% based on Debian. So here you can see it is built for creative people like filmmakers and video editors, musicians and sound designers, graphic designers and illustrators, photographers and photo editors. So all applications, packages, plugins, and all other things required by this people or professionals is readily available in Modicia Linux. Modicia OS offers an environment instantly familiar to the creative professionals with an interface inspired by Mac OS, the industry benchmark, while preserving the openness and flexibility of the free software. Integrated Copilot AI. So Copilot AI is already there, integrated with the system, which provides intelligent creative support and image generation without registration and cookie consent, ensuring complete anonymity and freedom of expression. A curated selection of browsers guarantees seamless compatibility with modern graphical services and websites, including real-time native translation of online content into any language. That's great. With Modicia OS, creativity flows effortlessly into secure and unrestricted space. At the heart of experience is the Mac Cinnamon desktop, an exclusive evolution of Cinnamon. So there is some kind of fork or an advanced development of Cinnamon desktop, thoroughly reworked from the foundations up to the graphical interface, polished in every detail. Mac Cinnamon delivers a distinctive blend of elegance, speed, usability while integrating performance optimization, advanced customizations, and refined branding. This tailored environment ensures seamless compatibility, enhanced responsiveness, and a quick visual identity, transforming the familiar Cinnamon experience into a signature Modicia desktop, instantly recognizable, immersive, and crafted for the creative professionals. Complementing this experience is the Modicia OS control panel, an exclusive suite featuring 23 dedicated graphical applications that provide total and immediate control over both software and hardware performance. So that's great, and we are dying to check out this Mac Cinnamon desktop. So a new desktop has come up to our knowledge after a long time. So I think we had tested that very new desktop, retro desktops in Sparky Linux. After that, a long time has passed before a new desktop has come up in our consideration, and I think in the next video we are going to check out the Mac Cinnamon desktop. So we will do a detailed review of the Mac Cinnamon desktop, and we will check out all the application and all the different special features of the Modicia OS in that video. The Modicia OS control panel is an exclusive suite of 23 dedicated graphical applications that provide total and immediate control over both hardware and software performance. Along with it, the total menu written exclusive in Modicia OS offers a streamlined, powerful way to access every function, reinforcing Modicia's commitment to usability, efficiency, and creative freedom. That's great. And they offer personal computer. So personal computer with Linux Modicia OS commercial edition. So they have got a commercial edition that you have to pay for, and it helps to continue the project. So project needs finance, and you can finance the project by donating, or you can buy their commercial edition. So that keeps the project running and the development running. So optimize hardware and system configuration ensures that you are ready to work instantly. Maximum performance from a moment you power on. Support on request. So there is a paid support available from the Modicia team. So professionals or anyone who requests it can access direct email support from developers for both software and hardware issues. In practice, such needs are uncommon. Modicia is not a rolling release, guaranteeing long-term stability and reliability. So I think there will be the paid support will be there. So for that, we'll have to contact the developers of Modicia OS. They will tell us whether it is paid or not. But I think looking on here, most probably it is a paid support, because most of the common requests are not there, because since it is based on Debian, there will be actually very few issues with the system, because Debian, they are very good in bug fixing. Whenever any bug is reported, it is immediately fixed. It takes very short time for the bugs to fix. Thousands of bugs are fixed every year. So we expect very few bugs here in Modicia OS because it is based on Debian. Caravaggio Multimedia. Caravaggio Linux Modicia OS built on Debian stable comes with the pre-installed and finely tuned on Caravaggio mini PC. Compact, powerful and fully equipped workstation designed for professional media production. So I think there is some hardware is also available. So we'll have to check this. Yes, so it is based on AMD. So it must be some hardware available. So it is the hardware desktop available for the professionals, and this is the contact information. So you can put your name, you can enter your email, your PayPal transaction number, and you can then specify the type of assistance you require, and you can message for customer support. So I think it is a paid type, only paid requests are entertained. Now we will go ahead and we will check out what is PC. So we have checked this education. So you can check this out, this video, how to use it for your professional needs. So everything in short will be explained here on this video. Yes. Now we will check out some features of Modicia Linux. So it has got fast processing. So the distribution provides all the essential tools for a system setup and management. A unified theme runs across all applications with built-in utilities for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, disk handling, system maintenance, desktop applets, and everything you require for a fully functional OS from the very first start. Everything is ready to produce. Applications come pre-installed and fully configured with all available plugins. Everything is clearly organized into theme menus with full language support included. Professional grade software is provided with the ongoing updates, and a development team that remains consistently active over the time. That's great. And you have got real-time kernel as available as default. For musicians and videographers, the real-time kernel is pre-installed with the real-time user group already enabled. This setup guarantees optimal performance, ultra low latency, and a high responsive system, ideal for working at the highest professional standards. That's great. Regular updates. So you will receive regular security and application updates like any Debian based distribution without instability from the incompatibilities or missing libraries. With 5 years of LTS support, you can rely on a stable system that will not be abandoned after 1 year of development. So this is a very good point, and if you know, many Linux distributions, they don't offer long time stability, long time software updates are not available, because The Linux distribution, they are not, they are based on, doesn't offer it, so they also cannot offer it. But Modicia, since it is based on Debian, it offers long time support, because the LTS versions of Debian can support very long, more than 3 years support is also available. And you can continue to use the older versions of Debian or the Debian based Linux distributions for long periods of time, 3 years or 5 years also. Complete App Center. A complete App Center offers more than 1,000 categorized applications in DEC format. Each includes a preview image, feature description, and a user rating. In addition, a dedicated App Image Center provides access to over 1,346 free applications. Excellent, very good. I am craving to check out the actual desktop of Modicia Linux by reading all these features. It excites me a lot. Unlimited storage. Video and photo professionals often require extensive space to sync projects across multiple PCs in real time. A free application makes this effort synchronizing any file type through the cloud with no restrictions on size or bandwidth. Everything is instantly ready to use with just one click. And this is a complete and categorized list of professional software included. Let us check this out. Okay, list of installed software. Okay, this window will close in 3 seconds. Let us check this out. So it contains Scanner, FontForge, GIMP, Image Mosaic Wall, Image Viewer, Inkscape, Krita, Photo Collage, Raw Therapy, GThumb, Digicam, Pinta, Accent Sketch, Accent View, Multi-Platform, Accent Convert, Peak, LibreOffice Draw, F3D. In video, you got Subtitle Editor, Video Trimmer, AVD Mux, Cheese, Curlew, DCP-O-Matic, DCP Player, Handbrake, Imagination, Kdenlive, Media Info, MKV Tool, Nix, GUI, Natron, OBS Studio Plus, Peak, Slow Mo UI, MPH Cinematic LUTs, PLC Player, Cinegrid is there, In audio, you got Audacity, Order, Mix, Fast Mixer, QJack, Control, QJack, RCD or Received, QSynth, Rhythm Box, Sound Card Mixer, Sound Converter, Sound Juicer, Sound Recorder, Cal Plugin Flag, Easy Tag, Yoshimi, XJDO, Fast Mixer, Jack Mixer, Guitarix, Curlew Audio, Brasero. In Office, you got PDF Arranger, Font Manager, Bookworm, Document Viewer, G Labels, Label Designer 3, LibreOffice, Convert All, Document Scanner, Voice Notepad, Cloud Mail, Font, and Font Viewer. For Internet, you have got multiple different web browsers will be available. Blue Griffon, Qubit Torrent, FileZilla, Copilot, Chromium Sandbox, Web Application, KDE Connect, Landshare, SyncThing, RustDesk, Telegram, WhatsApp, Firefox Extended Support Release. And the Modicia control panel will contain the WineHQ Manager, Preload Control, SyncThing, Service Control, RT Kernel Checker, Swappiness Control, XSD Trim Control, ZRAM Control, Extra Font Installer, WineDark Theme, AMD GPU Checker, NVIDIA Driver Installation, App Menu Integrator, Modicia Kernel Manager, Modicia OS Theme Switcher, Modicia System Updater, Dock Preferences, Hardware Info, Rescue, File Recovery, Wi-Fi Driver Installer, Queen Margarita, Queen Teodolinda, King Agilulfo, Modicia Package Manager, File System Check, Change System Language, and the file system. So lot many applications are fully loaded in this Modicia OS. That's why the ISO image of Modicia Linux weighs around 5.4 GB. It's very big because it contains lot of applications that are pre-installed. You can just check this here. That same thing is written here also, what we read right now. Excellent. Okay. And you can check these videos also. So professional video commissioned by the city of Seregno, Italia, was produced in 4K UHD format, 25 fps, and in the DCP digital cinema package format, SMPTE JPG 2024 fps, 4096 into 21690, around 1.9:1 image format for cinema distribution, with AC3 audio in 7 languages and subtitles in 33 languages. This was all done on Modicia OS only. And there is small articles that talk about Modicia Linux. You can click on the links and you can read those articles to know more about the capabilities of Modicia OS, how much it is capable for professional audio video work. And this is the names, what is Queen Tudor, Linda, Queen Margarita, King Aggie, Ulfo, what everything is there. So you can read this out. So it gives you a glimpse of the history of Italy. And there are some videos are also there. You can check this out. And there is some FAQs given here. You can read that. And further, there is how to do the installation on your hard disk. So that is given. The video is there. And if you click here, you can download it. So for download, you will have to donate some money, small amount of money, to get to the download. And of course it is free also. You can freely download it, but best is to give a small donation at least to make the things rolling, keep the project rolling, because the developers always need some money to pay for their expenses for the project. They will have to pay for the expenses, so that way you can help the developers to keep the project rolling. So that's it, I think, for the Modicia OS. We have got a good introduction of Modicia OS. In the next video, we will check out the install experience of Modicia OS, and in the second video from this, we will check out the actual Mac Cinnamon desktop of Modicia OS, along with all the features, tools, utilities of Modicia OS. So see you in the next video with the install experience. Bye bye.